Meaning of housework.
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 Housework. Housework refers to the domestic chores that are necessary to keep a house clean, organized, and functional. This can include tasks such as cleaning, laundry, cooking, grocery shopping, and childcare. Housework is typically performed by members of a household, and it is often seen as a necessary but unappreciated aspect of daily life. Despite its lack of glamour, however, housework plays a vital role in maintaining order and comfort within a home, and it can be deeply satisfying to take pride in a well-run household.